Cubana chief priest, can you say the truth? Exactly what is happening in this east? Can you tell the world the truth? Exactly what is happening in this east, both Imo State? Can you tell the world that Hope Uzodimma is the one that set Imo State on fire today as I'm talking to you? Cubana chief priest, can you tell the world what is happening in this southeast? Cubana chief priest, can you tell the world exactly what is happening in this east? Can you tell the world that Eastern security, the reason that Nnamdi Kanu brought Eastern security is because of Fulani herdsmen? Can you tell the world the truth? That why Eastern security came out is because of Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, which is Nigeria government are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen. Can you tell the world the truth? Can you tell the world the truth that open the politicians in Nigeria, they are the one that caused this insecurity in this east? We have millionaires and billionaires in Igbo land who have many factories in Anambra State, Enugu State, Ebonyi State, and they are not talking. And you will not have any factory here where youth are working. You are coming on social media saying that the east insecurity everywhere. We have many billionaires. How many factories do you have in Igbo land? How many youth have you employed in your factory? Do you think that all these things that you people are doing on social media, billionaire social media, Igbo billionaire social media, all of you in a group, I know you all of you in a group, no investment where all of you do in Igbo land? On Ghana, Abuja, may investment. The investment you say you can't go to Lagos. Tell me, benefit some of the youth. They get on it. Igbo's billionaire social media. I call you people Igbo billionaire social media. All of you know more in social media couldn't make noise. Come to Anambra State, I will show you many factories in Anambra State. Built by Igbo man. Come to Anambra State, I will show you many factories. Anambra State. Come to Enugu State, I will show you many factories in Enugu State. Come to Ebonyi State, I will show you many factories in Ebonyi State. Come to Abia State, I will show you many factories in Abia State. Stop deceiving people. I know that insecurity is in Imo State, is in this east. But don't use it as an excuse. Say that you will not party, that you have taken all your investment to Lagos. There are a lot of Igbo billionaires, silent billionaires that have investment in this east, and they are doing well till now. Insecurity in this east caused by the Nigerian politicians. Let them release Nnamdi Kanu so that everything will be calmed down. They refuse. I told you before that why insecurity is in this east. Number one is Fulani herdsmen. That is why they form Eastern security. Because of Fulani herdsmen. Without Fulani herdsmen, no Eastern security. Without Fulani herdsmen, no Eastern security. Some of you people will have hotel in Abuja and the north. Boko Haram, they disturb that place, but you people still live in a hotel and the investment that place. And most of you people are still buying land in the north and building houses where Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen are threatening people on on social media. And I want to use this opportunity to tell all the Igbos. I want to use this opportunity to tell all the Igbos. Bring down your investment in this east. Enugu, Ebonyi, Anambra, Abia, Imo State. If Imo State is on fire, go to Ebonyi State. Go to Enugu State. Come to Anambra State. Come to Abia State. Bring all your investment. Don't mind anybody that tell you insecurity is in this east. Yes, many people are going to Abuja, doing investment in Abuja or upon Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen. What they are doing in North, they are still going to North, building many things in North. But Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen is still there. They are still going to that place and do investment. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.